I'm honestly not too sure if this is going to do anything, but when I close the door, I don't know if you can tell, but see how more hollow this door sounds without the squeaking compared to this door? I don't know if you can tell on camera or not, but this door definitely sounds more solid when you close it than this door. You know what's crazy? This speaker's even worse than the first speaker. Look at this. Corrosion, cracking, looks disgusting. Is that good? Probably not. That is about as good as this door is gonna get. Not a lot of surface area to attach stuff to, so I pretty much just put a whole bunch of pieces everywhere that I could on the front of the door and on the back of the door. So, that door's next.